Hi guys, this is Annabelle with Nail Supply, and today I'm going to bring you along while I do a builder gel set. So after I prepped her cuticles, the first thing that I did was go in with a sanding band, and I'm just going all over her natural plate. I'm using a fine sanding band, and I'm not going above 3000 RPM. After I've brushed any excess dust off of her nails, I'm going to go in with the Gelish pH Bond Dehydrator all over each nail, and then I'm going to follow that up with the Gelish Pro Bond Primer. The next thing I'm going to do is take the Gelish foundation and put it on each nail. After that, I'm going to give it a full 60-second cure. Once my foundation is cured, I'm ready to start my builder gel. So today I decided to use the Gelish Brush On Builder in Clear. This is a great builder gel if you're new into your builder gel journey or new into starting to use these products. It is a very thick builder gel, which makes it very easy to use. You have a little bit more time to work with it as it self-levels. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in with a very thin layer all over the nail as my slip layer, and I'm going to leave that layer uncured. The next thing that I'm going to do is bring in a little bit more product on that nail. I'm going to apply it at the base of the nail, slowly drag it up to the tip. After that, I'm going to take a liner brush, go around the cuticle, make sure I have the nail fully covered, and then I will drag it all the way to the top to help with the self-leveling. If I still feel like I have some bumps, I will have her hold her hand upside down to help really bring all of that to the center and really make it even. So here you can see I'm applying my slip layer. So I'm applying my very thin layer that I'm going to leave uncured. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more product, start at the base of the nail and slowly pull it to the tip of the nail. Then I'm going to go through with my liner brush, really go around the cuticles, make sure that I have the entire nail covered, make sure everything is very even and perfect and exactly how I want it to look. After I've done a full cure of my builder gel, I'm ready to go in with my color. So today she chose Hit the Hot Spot by Gelish. I love this red. It's not super bright, it leans more towards the darker red side, but it is very beautiful. After doing 2 layers of my color and fully curing it, I'm going to finish this look off with the Gelish Extra Shine Top Coat. After I do this, I'll wipe everything down, get that inhibition layer off, put some cuticle oil on, and then we are all done. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.